This tutorial is on evaluating scholarly sources. It is part 1 in our Evaluate and Select Sources series. After watching this tutorial, you'll understand the importance of evaluating scholarly sources before using them and know the criteria used to evaluate a scholarly source. We've talked about how to find sources and how to tell what kinds of sources you've found. Before you decide to use and cite a source in your project, your last step is to evaluate it. Most scholarly sources that you find through the library databases will be reputable, but they're not all exactly the same. Even if 2 articles are both 25 pages long and written by someone with a PhD, one may be better for your project than the other. Here are some things to think about when you evaluate scholarly sources. We call them the ABCs of credibility. The A stands for authority. Ask yourself, what do you know about the author? Do they have education, training, and experience in this subject? Do they work for a reputable institution or organization? What kind of source is it? A book, a journal article, or something else? Is it peer-reviewed? Is it considered an appropriate or prestigious way of publishing information in your field? When was it published? How recent is the information? In some fields, it's very important to find the most recent information. Has the authority been questioned? Did anyone respond to the authors to disagree with their work? Or have the authors released an update or correction? The B stands for biases. Ask yourself, who is the publisher or creator? If it's a book or journal article, what company published it? If it's a website, who pays to put it out there on the web? Why did they publish it? Who's getting paid by publishing this source? Does the source seem objective and unbiased, or is it driven by a particular agenda or point of view? The C stands for craftsmanship. Ask yourself, overall, is the source professional and good quality? Is it clear, accurate, precise, and free of errors? Does the author provide citations and references to credible sources in the correct format? If your source passes most or all of these questions, it's probably acceptable for you to use in your project. Thanks for watching. Contact the library if you'd like assistance. If you'd like to share feedback on this tutorial, you can do so at the link or QR code on your screen.